Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Faith and today I'm going to be doing a full coverage makeup tutorial on cruelty-free makeup. In case you're not familiar with the term cruelty-free makeup, it just means makeup that wasn't tested on animals. Okay, so first I'm going to start with just moisturizing my face again. And then I'm going to prime my face. The primer that I'm using is the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. That is a really long name. This is what it looks like. It's like this weird color. Now I'm going to use my setting spray as I go along and do my makeup because, I don't know, I just like spraying my face a lot while I do my makeup. The spray that I'm going to be using is the Belief Aqua Bomb Mist. This is what it looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Kat Von D Lock It In foundation and I'm using it in the color Deep 78 Neutral. So this foundation goes a long way, so I'm just going to use a little bit. And because it's full coverage, I don't need to use any concealer or anything. I'm just going to apply a really thin layer of it. I'm going to take a beauty blender just to make sure that it's all blended out. This foundation is a bit tacky, so I would just make sure that I would like triple check that it's actually really even. Because if you don't check, then you're probably going to have some blotches. Okay, now I'm going to contour my nose and my face. And also make sure that this is blended out. And then I'm going to take the beauty blender and blend that out. Okay, so my lips are really like dull right now for some reason. So I'm actually going to apply this Milk Makeup Lip Moisturizer. It's called Kush Lip Glaze by Milk Makeup, so that's the front of it. It's really cool. I like the packaging a lot in general as a brand because it just feels cool when you're holding the products. So that's what it looks like. So that actually already looks so much better. My lips were just so dry for some reason. I'm taking my Sephora number 20 brush, and it looks like this. Brow Powder Duo in Ebony. I used to use that stick thing where you can twist it and it comes out and it has a spoolie on the end. By Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I feel like that just ran out so quickly because I was using it like almost every day. So the Brow Powder Duo was a lot better for me. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, brow pomade. It's kind of gross now, but that's what it looks like. It's really cute. It has a lot of product in it, so it's like everything going out. And then this just makes it a lot more precise. I'm going to take my NYX highlighting stick and just put that on my cheeks and my nose and my upper lip. Just to add a little bit of definition to my face since I'm not going to be using any highlighter because I don't have a cruelty-free highlighter. If you guys know any cruelty-free highlighters, please recommend. Blush. Okay, now I'm going to apply my blush. So I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Gen Nude in the color You Had Me at Merlot. had me at Merlot. And I have to apply it pretty much everywhere. So what I'm doing is applying it to my cheeks, of course, then my eyes, the side of my face, and the very bottom of my jaw. Now I'm gonna apply my liner. So I'm using the Kat Von D ink liner and the color Trooper Black. I'm gonna do my lashes. So I'm really excited about this. I just got Milk Makeup Kush mascara and it's like really cool packaging. It's heavy-ish, but it's not too heavy. It just feels really good. And then that's what the spoolie itself looks like. And then this is what the packaging looks like. Rid of the extra part here. If I just apply it like really normally, then it already is making a really big difference. I absolutely love this mascara. I'm gonna shimmy it a little now. I look really creepy while putting on my mascara. It's like And then for my bottom lash, I'm gonna use this Smashbox Super Fanned Out mascara. And this is a more natural mascara because it's like really little brush. Really little bristles on the brush, and it's gonna give a really natural but lengthening look. The last step, I'm gonna apply this Huda It's liquid matte in the color Famous by Huda. Okay, so this is gonna dry matte, but if you want to keep it glossy, then you can apply the Kush lip glaze over top of the matte lip color, and then it'll stay shiny. I definitely apply a lot. You don't have to apply that much. And then this is the finished look. Okay, so if you guys are interested in clean beauty, I hope that this video was useful in any way, and if you have any questions about clean beauty or want to learn more about clean beauty or anything in this video, leave a comment down below, and it would be really cool to see where you guys are in your clean beauty journey. Are you guys just learning about veganism and an ethical lifestyle, or are you guys fully into this lifestyle? Let me know below about your clean beauty journey. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and if you're interested, I left 2 really useful, resourceful links down below in the description box. One is for Free Kitty and the other one is to Ethical Elephant. They're both really good sites to check to see if your makeup brands are ethical or not and how ethical they are. And it's a good start if you're trying to transition at all to cruelty-free makeup. Okay, bye guys!